Hi, my name is Joel Moses from Nagandas Khandwala College.
Hello everyone, Riya Jain here from KES College.
Hi, my name is Arya.
The structure and the pacing of the internship was amazing. We had got amazing guidance from our management as well. We had learned how to handle data, how to input them, analyze them and interpret them.
This internship has helped us in various ways by giving us a hands-on experience on the theoretical knowledge we had learned during our classes. It helped us working under pressure and improved our management skills as we had to manage our studies as well as internship both together.
From day one, I was immersed in a dynamic and challenging environment. I had the opportunity to work on exciting projects, collaborate with talented colleagues, and contribute to real-world initiatives. The diverse range of projects I worked on required me to think critically, analyze situations, and propose effective solutions. The problem-solving abilities and critical thinking skills I developed will enable me to tackle complex challenges with confidence and creativity.
And for someone who is not sure about the different fields in finance, what they want to go through, it will help you to explore as well, as we have experienced different roles in terms of an accountant, a manager to an auditor as well.
It showed us our leadership quality, and this internship would help us in future as it has given us an extra boost to our confidence as well as weighed our CV.
It has allowed me to grow both personally and professionally, equipping me with all the necessary skills and knowledge. Thank you.